Welcome to Autoverse, your trusted pit stop for all things powerful, adventurous, and high performance on two wheels and beyond. If you live for the sound of a roaring engine, if precision machines make your heart race, you've found your home. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're always plugged into the pulse of the world's most thrilling rides. Today, we're diving into one of the most radical evolutions in Yamaha's racing history. The 2025 Yamaha YZR-M1 is here, and for the first time ever, it comes equipped with a V4 engine. That's right, Yamaha, long known for its inline-4 setup, has finally stepped into the V4 arena, and it's a move that's sent shockwaves across the MotoGP paddock. This isn't just a technical shift. It's a complete redefinition of Yamaha's MotoGP identity. The V4 platform brings a new level of aggression, top-end punch, and tighter corner exit precision that Yamaha riders have been craving. For years, competitors like Ducati and Honda have leveraged the V4 layout to dominate long straights and high-speed circuits. Now, Yamaha has entered that battlefield, and they're not playing catch-up, they're setting new standards. The newly designed 1000cc V4 engine is compact, brutal, and tuned for consistent power delivery across the rev range. With over 250 horsepower on tap and a higher redline than ever before, the 2025 M1 doesn't just accelerate, it launches like a missile. But what's even more impressive is how Yamaha has preserved that smooth, linear feel they've always been known for. It's aggressive when you need it, but refined when you demand control. The move to the V4 also allowed Yamaha to redesign the chassis entirely. The bike now has a more centralized mass, with a tighter wheelbase and a stiffer frame that gives riders razor-sharp handling. The feedback through the front end is improved, while the rear stays planted under hard acceleration thanks to a reworked carbon fiber swingarm. This means the M1 holds its line better in fast sweepers and responds more quickly in tight chicanes. Aerodynamics have taken center stage too. The 2025 YZR-M1 comes with a fully updated aero package, including winglets optimized for downforce without excessive drag. The new side fairings and air intake design help with cooling and airflow management. At high speeds, the bike feels planted, stable, and responsive, giving the rider confidence to push deeper into braking zones and carry more corner speed. Speaking of braking, Yamaha has collaborated with Brembo to integrate their latest carbon disc braking technology. Combined with refined engine braking control and electronic stability systems, the M1's stopping power is more predictable and controlled than ever. Even under extreme pressure, the bike stays composed, which is key for race consistency and confidence. Electronic rider aids have seen a major upgrade too. The latest Yamaha software suite integrates traction control, slide control, anti-wheelie, and cornering abs more seamlessly than before. The electronics are now predictive, learning from rider inputs and real-time conditions. This means the bike adapts to different riding styles, making it a formidable weapon in the hands of any rider. The cockpit has also been updated, with a redesigned 5-inch color TFT display that delivers real-time telemetry and riding data. Riders now have access to customizable mapping options, allowing them to adjust power delivery, engine braking, and traction control levels on the fly. The ergonomics have also been slightly adjusted. Narrower tank, refined seat angle, and optimized clip-on positioning all work together to improve rider comfort and control during long stints. Testing results from Yamaha's factory riders have been promising. Fabio Quartararo praised the new engine's broad torque curve and consistent acceleration, while Alex Rins highlighted improved corner entry feel and rear grip. Yamaha engineers worked closely with both riders to fine-tune every element, from throttle sensitivity to suspension preload, ensuring the 2025 M1 is battle-ready straight out of the garage. The livery for 2025 stays true to Yamaha's racing legacy, blending deep blues, stealthy matte blacks, and carbon accents into a design that screams speed even when standing still. The attention to detail is meticulous, everything from titanium fasteners to weight-reduced body panels is designed with purpose and performance in mind. There are even whispers of a street-legal version inspired by this bike, possibly in the form of a YZF-R1 MV4 prototype. If Yamaha brings this racing technology to the road, it could redefine the superbike segment completely. With the 2025 YZR-M1, Yamaha hasn't just built a new bike. They've created a new legacy. This V4 machine is a turning point, combining Yamaha's legendary handling with newfound power, stability, and MotoGP dominance. It's fast, it's fierce, and it's ready to fight at the front. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about Yamaha finally joining the V4 club? Will this be the machine that brings them back to championship glory? And if Yamaha releases a road-going version, would you want one in your garage? Thanks for spending time with us today on Autoverse, where horsepower meets heart and every machine has a story. Subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up if you loved this deep dive, and keep that throttle wide open, because in Autoverse, the ride never ends.